I'm Jen, and welcome to my studio. And today we're going to be doing high bento. Yes, we're doing a dance called high bento. No, today we're going to be doing a technique exercise that is somewhere around intermediate level. It depends on the speed that you do it at. If you do it a little bit slower, it would be more for beginners. If you do it faster, it's more for advanced. It's a basic combination of steps. It's FLAPS, it's shuffles, it's riffs, and it's cramp rolls. So pretty basic steps, and you can put them in this pattern for any level depending on the speed that you do it at. For this video's purposes, I'll call it intermediate. But do it a little slower, it's for beginners. Do it faster, it's for advanced. Take this to your classes, whatever level they are, they will enjoy this. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Bye, bento. All right, so it starts with 3 and a thing. That's a pretty basic tap trope. 3 and a thing, 3 and a break, 3 and a thing. The pattern is going to be 3 FLAPS and a thing, 3 FLAPS and a different thing. So let's get into that. So it's 3 FLAPS, then shuffle heel. So you have 3 FLAPS, right, left, right. And then right away, you have a shuffle with the left foot, drop your heel. So it's going to go a 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4. So that's your pattern. A 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. Awesome. Your left foot is free. You're going to start the next part, which is flap, 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 same as before. But instead of a shuffle heel, you have a 3-count riff. So it's a riff heel. So you're kind of doing a similar thing with your foot, but instead of going brush, brush, you're going brush, scuff, and then dropping your standing heel. So that is flap, 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 left, right, left, and then it's brush, scuff, and you want it to have the exact same rhythm. So just that part, flap, 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 and a riff. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. So the hard part is doing a shuffle with one foot and a riff with the other foot, because it's similar, but they're different directions and different articulations. That's the hard part. So let's try that. Let's do right and then left. So it'll be flap, 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 flap. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So remember, one of them goes out and then the other one goes forward. Okay? One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. From there, it's 1 flap shuffle heel, 1 flap and a riff. So instead of 3 flaps and the break, you're doing just 1 and then 1. So that part's going to go flap shuffle heel, flap and a riff. So right flap, left shuffle heel, left flap, right riff. So let's try that. Flap shuffle heel, flap and a riff. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. So let's add that on. 3 flap shuffle heel, 3 flaps and a riff, 1 flap shuffle heel, 1 flap and a riff. You only ever want to go outside when I shut the door. For those of you that have been watching the videos recently coming out, this happens a lot. You only ever want to go outside when I shut the door. You're such a pain, but I love you. I love you, bento. All right, let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hi, baby girl. They're all coming to play. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. it off, make sure that you're bringing that foot up enough after the riff because you finish it off with 2 flap cramp rolls. Or double cramp rolls, or brush and then a cramp roll. So you're just going to brush your right toe and then cramp roll. So 3 and a thing, 3 and a thing, 1 and a thing, 1 and a thing, 2 flap cramp rolls or double cramp rolls. Can we try it? All right, let's try it. Let's put it all together. Baby girl, those are bricks. You can't scratch those. These cats today, oh my gosh. Do you want the window? Come here. There you go. Come on. You want the window? There you go. All right, let's try it. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's how it's supposed to go. Let's try it again. All right, let's do it. Don't bully your sister. 5, 6, 7, 8. Fantastic. So we're going to do that twice in a row, but the second time there's only 1 flap cramp roll, and then you stamp so that our left foot can be free so we can do the other side. So the second time you do it, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Then your left foot is free. So let's do it on the right twice in a row, and then we'll try left. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So now your left foot is free. Let's just try to put it all together on the left. We'll walk through it, then we'll try it, then we'll try the whole thing, then we'll do it with some music. So left side, you have 3 flaps, shuffle heel on the right. Then you have 3 flaps starting on the right, a riff on the left. So let's just do that on the left. So starting with the first set of flaps. 5, 6, 7, 8. I have such a hard time saying it and doing it at the same time because I can't hear my mouth or my feet. One of them I can't hear. So let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, my rhythm is so much better if I don't talk. All right, so after that you have the 1 and 1. So that's flap, shuffle, heel, left, right, and then right, left. So let's just do that. Flap, shuffle, heel, flap, and a riff. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Then the last part, flap, cramp, roll, flap, cramp, roll. And you would repeat and then do 1 flap, cramp, roll, and a stamp. So let's do the whole left side, twice through. We know the pattern, we did it on the right. I know, as soon as I say left, it's the worst 4-letter word in tap dance for some people. It's like left and people go, ah, no. It's just the left side, just focus on the pattern. You can do this. All right, let's try left. The whole thing and then twice through and then end with the stamp. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so shall we do both sides? Right and then left. We got this? All right, then we'll try it with music. Ready? 5, 6, right, go. Again. Left side. workout for the ankles. I love it. All right, Bento, we're gonna do it with some music. Is that okay? He just really wants to go outside. All right, wait till I'm done filming and then you can go outside. We all know you're just gonna go outside and sit there. So, let's give it a shot. It's a really good tempo. Flap, 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 shuffle, heel, flap, 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 and a riff. Really good tempo. We got this, guys. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try. Not bad. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want to do that a couple times, you can always rewind and do it as many times as you want to with the song. I'll have the song information down below so you can also use it if you'd like. Bento, why are you doing this? But hopefully you guys had a blast doing this with me. I love technique exercises. They're probably one of my favorite things to film. So if you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the Tap fam. We've got technique exercises like this. We've got choreography tutorials where you get to learn just like a dance to a song. It's super fun. We've got step tutorials, challenges, vlogs, everything you need to become a better tap dancer right here on this channel, and it's all free for you. This is your YouTube tap studio, and I love being your tap teacher. So also hit the thumbs up for the cats. We have a stack of cats. We've got Sayuri on the bottom. Hang on, I'm gonna reveal this real quick. And then Bento on the top. Look at her. Look at her cute. She's so cute. All right, I'm sorry. Go back to bed. All right. Well, hopefully you guys had a blast with me. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Hit the thumbs up for Bento. But yeah, as always, thank you for dancing with me.